So this is next topic of gravitation chapter, class 9th, mass and weight. So mass means the mass of a body is the quantity of matter contained in it. So mass of this pen is the quantity, the material which is contained in it. Mass of this copy is the quantity which is in this copy, in this paper. So it is obviously scalar quantity which has only magnitude and no direction. Mass of a body remains constant and does not change from place to place. If I take this pen to moon na, that time also its mass will remain same. If I take this pen to Kanyakumari, its mass will remain same. So it does not vary from place to place, right? So SI unit of mass is kg, kilogram, and mass of a body can never be zero, right? If someone says mass is zero of a body, that means that is not possible, right? Next, let's come to weight. Now, what is weight? So the force with which an object is attracted towards the center of the earth is called weight of the object. Means if I throw this pen, so the force with which it is attracted towards this earth is its weight, right? So we all know that F is equal to ma, force is equal to mass into acceleration. But in case of earth or in case of free fall, we can take A is equal to G. So we can say F is equal to mg, right? So F means force, but here force of attraction of earth of an object is called weight. Here we have mentioned the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. So force of attraction of earth on an object is called its weight. So weight is equal to mg. In place of force we have replaced it with weight, W. So W is equal to mg. Now this formula we are going to use in numericals. So weight is a vector quantity because it has direction. If I throw this pen, it will go downwards. That means some direction is working on it, some direction is acting on this pen. So it changes from place to place also depending on mass of object. So it changes depending on gravity also, G value also. On moon it is something else, like your weight on moon, if measured on your moon, on moon it will be something else, on earth it is something else. If measured on equator it is something else, if measured on poles, at poles it will be something else. So SI unit of weight is Newton. Whenever if someone says his weight is 70 kg, that is not possible. His weight is 70 Newton. His mass may be in terms of kg, but weight is in Newton. Weight of an object becomes zero if G is zero. If somewhere gravity is zero, then his weight can also become zero. But mass can never be zero, right? Now let's come to this derivation where we have to do weight of an object on the surface of moon. Now what is the weight of an object on the surface of moon? Now we know that mass of an object is same on earth as well as on moon, right? But weight is different, right? So W is equal to mg, we know this formula. And what is this force formula? F is equal to gmm upon r square. So force is equal to W, so W is equal to gmm upon r square. Now weight of an object on earth will be We. Earth, weight of an object on earth is We is equal to g m upon re square, where g is gravitational constant, me is mass of earth, re is radius of earth, m is mass of object, right? Small m is mass of object. Similarly, weight of object on moon will be Wm, g m upon rm square, radius of moon, mass of moon, right? So if I divide weight of object on earth divided by weight of object on moon, we got this expression. On simplification, it can be simplified into this form. Now approximately mass of earth is 100 times of moon and radius of earth is 4 times of radius of moon. So putting the value, we got the ratio equal to 6.25, or approximately it is 6. So we can say weight of an object on moon is 1/6 of weight of the object on earth. So weight of an object on the moon is 1/6 of its weight on the earth. So that's we want to prove, right? So if weight of earth is given, we can simply determine what will be its approximate weight on moon. So that will be 1/6 of weight of earth. if a person weighs 60 kg here, 60 Newton here, so on moon his weight will be 10 Newton. 60, 1/6 of 60 is 10. So this is all about this video. Now we'll be solving questions. So just note down these notes, right? I'll show mass of an object. You can simply pause the video and simply note down. Sometimes in exam question arises like what is the difference between weight and mass? So you have to answer mass is a scalar quantity, weight is a vector quantity. Mass of a person remains same, it does not changes. Weight of a person changes according to gravity. Mass can never be zero. Weight of a person, weight can be zero if g is zero, right? So these things, these differences you have to answer. So thank you. Up to here we have in our syllabus this for 2021 due to that pandemic effect. Rest of the part has been deleted. So thank you for watching.